An architectural hack that will literally transform your house from a heat trap to natural air conditioning. This is a green roof right on top of a building, which acts as nature's air conditioner. It's not just plants randomly thrown on your roof. It's a proper system that is constructed with proper layers. So basically, this layer keeps your building 5 to 7 degrees Celsius cooler. That means lesser usage of air conditioner and lower bills. Concrete generally traps a lot of heat and turns your house into an oven. But these green roofs acts like thermal buffer, stopping the heat from entering into your slab. Flat roof, sloped roof, carport. Green roofs are super adaptable and they can be installed in any type of roofs. So this summer, don't just try new mojitos, try green roof as well. Bye.